Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. June 14th, 2018. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Jeremy, Preston, Scott at the helm. We're all ready to rock and roll. Preston at home taking care of one of the little ones.
Nope. I'm right here.
I mean, Andrew is Andrew is at home taking one of the little ones. Sorry.
Yep. It's all right. Felt like I was at home for Thanksgiving or something. You know how your parents always like call you all your siblings' names? It's kind of what it feels like.
Still right here, Dad. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I only sit here almost every day. Not like a big deal or anything.
Zing.
Zinged him. Anyway, what do we got today?
Whoa. I've got the question of the day for you.
Okay.
Right
We've
out
never
of the
had
gate.
a question of the day before, but we'll pretend like that's a regular part of the show.
Preston,
Yes.
last time you went mini golfing.
Yes. Continue. Is there more to the question?
When's the last time you went mini golfing?
When is the last time? Okay. The last time I went mini golfing, I don't know, a few years ago. A couple of years ago. Several.
What's your technique?
To hit the ball into the hole. It's good. It's a good technique. It's all about flow.
Flow.
You know what I mean? Belief. You gotta believe.
Gotta
That you can make it. Visualization.
And what
manifestation.
color are you gonna choose if you're gonna have a choice of colors?
Usually
for
go black.
golf
You
ball?
know, you gotta go black.
I always go red.
Well, that's
Red's
where we
my
differ.
color. That's where we differ.
Yeah. You should be wearing a red shirt right now. But anyways, I don't know when the next time I'll be mini golfing is, but we'll see. The future holds so many twists and turns. It's like a labyrinth. You know what I mean? Speaking of David Bowie, I got nothing for that, but I just wanted to mention him because he's a cool guy. You know
Cool,
what I mean?
exotic, interesting.
Cool dude. Cool. Anyways, what do we got for him today, Jeremy?
Well, we're done talking about mini golf.
We're done with it. Had enough of the mini golf. I
Because
visualized.
I was looking at mini golf before we got on. Don't ask. But yeah, I was stalling for. We were stalling.
Okay,
That's
we
all.
were. You. Good job. Okay.
Well done, everyone.
Good job, everybody.
Let's go home.
Take 5.
All right, Preston. I will take your advice here and tell people what's coming up on the show.
All right. There we go.
Got some great headlines for you, including Preston, an open house coming up.
Whoa.
We'll tell you about that coming up here in just a
Glad
little
that's
bit.
included.
And then our second segment's Ticks.
Oh, boy. Yep.
There's a song
There is?
for Ticks.
How does it go?
I'm not gonna. I'll wait till we get to that segment. You have to stay tuned.
Okay. You brought it up, so I hope you don't
I was wondering
disappoint
if you
on this
were.
one.
I thought maybe you knew that there was a song. But
I don't. I
there
didn't know
is.
that. Okay.
It's
Cool.
a country song.
Can't wait. Cannot wait.
Has the phrase in there, check you for ticks.
That's a good advice. You should always check for ticks. We'll get to that, though, in the second segment. Then what do we got for him? Third segment.
Michelle, Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection. She's in to talk about 2 different scams, Preston.
Dun, dun, dun.
And they're both from technology companies, including one that's close to home here.
Uh-oh.
AT&T and Apple.
Uh-oh.
We'll tell you about the scammers, those fraudsters. They're back. We'll tell you about them.
Thought we were done with those fraudsters, Jeremy.
Well, I just was over there this morning.
Yep.
They're still at it.
They're still at it. Okay. Still
So-
improving their techniques.
Yeah, you're going to have to watch out for that.
We'll try and keep you one step ahead of them.
Preston, let's cheer people up with a great story.
All right. Well, here is one of the best stories that you could possibly imagine, ladies and gentlemen. The Fitchburg Farmers Market. Da-na-na. It's open this afternoon, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the Agora Pavilion. You know it, the big white tent down there on East Sherrill Parkway. You can come on out, and guess what? On second and fourth Thursdays, they have special events like Master Gardener booth. So you can check that out. You know,
Well, bam.
get all kinds of great stuff. They have pretty much anything you'd ever want. So go down, enjoy it. It's a great spot, great stuff.
Fantastic. All right, the Friends of the Fitchburg Library used book sale happens tomorrow.
Can't wait.
You're going to want to bring your own bag for this, by the way. Come out for the Friends of the Fitchburg Library used book sale. Starts tomorrow at noon, runs through 5 p.m. and Saturday, June 16th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You got it at the Fitchburg Library. And don't forget where those proceeds support the Fitchburg Library programming, including the outreach, librarian, and more.
Do you think they have mystery books?
Yes.
Do you think they have action books?
Yes.
Do you think they have adventure books. Is that or action books a
Yes.
thing? They have it all, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to make sure. And if you're not interested in any of those, there's a lot more too.
Turn the channel.
Yeah,
There you go.
get on over there and check out what they got. Hey, also I want to tell you about this healthy event, the Badger Prairie 5K Walk Run. The staff and residents of the Badger Prairie Health Care Center will host a 5K fun walk run on June 16th. The 5K will start at the Badger Prairie Health Care Center in Verona and will use Dane County Park's Ice Age Trail. The event will be held rain or shine, with proceeds donated to The Beacon. So there you go. Address 1100 East Verona Avenue. So check it out. Get out there. Support the cause.
Fantastic. All right, it's Bring Your Own Bag at Hy-Vee this weekend. Or as Preston likes to say it, BYOB.
At Hy-Vee. Little rhyme.
2920 Verona Road. That's the Fitchburg location this Saturday, June 16th. Shoppers who bring at least one reusable bag when they shop from 10 a.m. to noon will be rewarded with a free scoop of
Gelato.
something like gelato. Yeah, it's going to be a
do
good
it.
time, guys. Really good time. You're going to stop on out. And let's just try to use more reusable bags, right?
Yeah,
This
bring a
is the start.
bag. Bring a bag. And probably, I'm not going to confirm this, but I'm going to say if I had to put my money down, I would guess if you go there, you could probably even buy a reusable bag if you don't have one. Maybe still get a little gelato if, join the Bring Your Own Bag Club. Just saying. Not going to confirm that, but it's possible pro tip right there. Check it out.
Here's my continuation of that tip.
Continue it.
Go in, buy the bag, leave, come back with the bag.
That's what I'm saying.
We're going to be in trouble. Jeez.
Well,
That's
we're just encouraging people to bring your own bag, and if you don't have one, get on board with it. It's a big
And
deal.
I gave you guys advice midweek. I feel a little guilty when I bring in bags from other places, but the cause is bring your own bag. It's as simple as that, folks.
Ladies and gentlemen, how simple is it? Bring your own bag.
It is simple.
Come on. Okay.
All right, we got an open house to tell you about, and it's with our friends from the Wisconsin DOT. Yeah, the Verona Road Construction Project. They have one of their open houses coming up next week.
June 21st, discussing the design and construction activities for Stage 2 of the Verona Road project right here in Fitchburg. Again, same kind of, as always, no formal presentation, but they do have, materials and maps and things for you to look at, and they'll have people there to talk to you on a one-on-one basis if you have any questions. So head on out, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Again, you can show up anytime in there. And it's at the Verona Road Project Office, 6200 Nesbitt Road, Suite B, right here in Fitchburg.
And if you tell them that FACTv sent you, Steve will give you a high five.
He will. He will, yeah.
That's all I'm saying. All right, that does it for our headlines on this nice Thursday, right before that big warm-up coming to the weekend, Preston.
Oh, boy.
Coming up next, we're opening up the Fitchburg Digest with a little talk about those pesky ticks. That's next, right here on Talking Fitchburg.